Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Mr. S. Balakumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. Today we have discussed about marketing and introduction. First, we should understand what is market. The word market is derived from the Latin word marketes. It means merchandise, wars, traffic, trade, or a place where business is conducted. The common use of market means a place where goods are bought and sold. And now moving on to definition of market. Market includes both place and region in which buyers and sellers are in free competition with one another. The definition said by Pale. And next definition, according to Champman, the term market refers not to a place but to a commodity or commodities and buyers and sellers who are in direct competition with one another. Now we are moving to market and marketing. What is market and what is marketing? Market is a place where goods and services are exchanged. Market consists of buyers and sellers with facilities to communicate each other for transaction of goods and services. What is marketing? Marketing is the economic process by which goods and services are exchanged between the producers and the customer and their value determined in terms of money price. In brief, according to definition of market, there is lots of elements are discussed. Its place, transactions, organization, act, area of operation, these all under definition of market. What is the need? Need for market? First one, for exchange of goods and services. Next, for adjustment of demand and supply by price mechanism. Third one, for improvement of quality of life of the society. And next, for the introduction of a new modes of life for higher production. So these kind of activities are needed in the market. And what about next? What is marketing and sales? So already we know that what is marketing. Once again, marketing is a form of communication between you and your customer with the goal of selling them or communicating the value of goods, product or services is a key aspects of marketing. But selling, it's transfer of ownership from seller to consumer. Targets on selling the product produced. Sales is a part of marketing. Main aim to earn profit. So both are not similar. They are different. Marketing is a whole process of to sell the product, but selling is a small part of marketing. That's all the difference. Now we have to see the major difference between marketing and selling. So marketing, in the marketing, it includes selling and other activities like various promotional measures, marketing research, after sales service, etc. But selling, it is confined to persuasion of consumers to buy firms, goods and services, only to buy firms and services of goods. And next category, marketing planning is a long-term oriented in terms of new product, tomorrow's market and future growth. the marketing is related to future growth. But selling, it's a short term oriented and terms today's product market. So what is today's activity? It will deal only the selling. But marketing is a future oriented. And next category, marketing concerned with customer satisfaction. But selling concerned with profit maximization. If profit is concerned in the selling, but it's not included in the marketing. Marketing is one of the major elements of business, but selling is a small part of marketing process. Then next category, marketing innovation is every sphere on providing better value to customers by adopting new technology. So marketing already based on innovation, initiative, new ideas. These are very important concept in marketing. But selling, staying with existing technology and reducing cost. So selling what is the producer and do, and what is the finishing product that only they can use. They are not implementing any new ideas or new technologies, new innovativeness. So these are selling. And next, marketing views the customer as the very beginning of the business. So marketing view is based on customers, is based on beginning of the business. But selling view customers as the last link in the business. So you know the difference. Marketing is based on first beginning of the function. Customer is a beginning. You grow with the business with the customer, but the selling is the last link of business to the customers. And next, in the marketing, stress on needs of customer, but selling stress on needs of seller. So it's based on customer and selling based on seller. And marketing starts with customer and end with customer, but selling start with seller, end with seller. So simply they say it customer to customer, seller to seller. So for some examples of marketing oriented companies and selling oriented companies, now we have moving for selling oriented companies. They are like insurance companies, online shopping, door to door selling. These are the examples of selling oriented companies. And now marketing oriented companies, Dell Computers, it provides platform on which each person customize the features design. And automobile industries, designer clothes. So they are marketing oriented process or companies. So clearly understand what is selling, what is marketing. Now we have some banners of marketing or selling products, banners, stickers, right? These are the logos of Flipkart, Naptel, Home Shop, eBay, Mitra. And finally, selling is marketing, but marketing is not selling. Next, we have moving to importance of marketing. Marketing is important because they are lead to economic development. The final achievement of marketing is to achieving economic development. So now we are moving to one by one. First one, market helps to achieve, maintain and raise the standard of living. Whose standard of living? Marketing means through which production and purchasing power are converted into consumption. Better marketing, it leads to mass production. Mass production leads to low cost. Low cost leads to more buying power, and more buying power leads to higher standard of living of every individual. It's very important for of every individual to grow their life, standard of living, poor to rich. It's very important point. And next, marketing increases employment opportunities. Various employment opportunities are available in the marketing, like it involves various functions, sub-functions like buying, selling, transport, warehousing, financing, risk management. Whatever it is in the marketing related, there are many type of functions. Transportations means there is subdivisions or many subdivisions in buying, selling, transportation, warehousing, so finance. So lots of opportunities of employment needed, and these functions create need for different specialization. About 30 to 40 percentage population depends directly or indirectly on marketing in India. So moreover, all the employment opportunities are under marketing sector. Not only marketing sector, marketing have a subdivisions of various activities. So various activities needed various specializations. So various specializations persons are needed. So they are making an employment opportunity. And third point, marketing increases national income. Once the standard of living is increases, once the employment get it, automatically the national income will increase. More purchasing power, it leads to increasing in national income. When the more purchasing power is adopted, the standard of living will increase, they have a more purchasing power, then the national income will increase. Fourth point, helps maintain economic stability and development. The standard of living is increasing, the national income was increasing automatically by maintaining demand and supply balance. The maintaining economic stability and development is very important. And fifth point, link between producer and consumers. Automatically we are seeing that in a definition, the link, the marketing is link between the producer and consumer. And next point, it removes imbalance of supply and demand by transferring surplus. In case of surplus, we have emergency demand or emergency supply. We have to imbalance. We have to balance the both supply and demand by transferring the surplus amount of stocks. And last one, it helps create utilities of time, place, and position. So marketing, it's just not a marketing, it's including the time, correct place, when, where, correct position. These are very important concept in marketing, and we have to follow this type of importance in the marketing. And now we understand the concept of marketing and marketing, market and marketing versus seller, and the importance of marketing. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned on our next video.